Bell Trail. No, you won't see the Liberty Bell, but you might see the spirits of native Indians who lived here thousands of years ago. 100 years ago, there was a racetrack built here, and that brought a lot of Washingtonians out, so this was considered a resort town where people would come to escape. Can you feel the spirits of the native Indians who lived in these woods thousands of years ago? This trail is asphalt, very smooth, great for beginners. Hope to see you riding.